Hello, friends. We are going to discuss KKR versus SRH, the third match of IPL. These two look to be the two of the strongest teams this year in IPL. KKR because Gautam Gambhir is back as the manager, and SRH due to the foreign players that they have. So let's see one by one their squads and the matchups for the today's game. So today's game is going to be played in Eden Gardens. So Eden Gardens, as we know, the pitch is a bit turning pitch, but still prefers batting. It is a small ground and it is a night game. So I think the team which wins the toss should field first, because later on there can be some dew which will help the ball come better to the bat. And so let's go over the KKR's playing 11, the probable playing 11, I should say. So I think Phil Salt will open the batting along with Venkatesh Iyer. Shreyas Iyer, their captain, will come in at number 3. Then Nitish Rana will be at 4. Rinku Singh, the star player for them last season, will be coming in at 5. And Andre Russell. So Andre Russell and Rinku Singh will be the finishers. Then Sunil Narayan, Mitchell Stark, the most costliest buy ever in IPL. Varun Chakravarti, followed by one of the Indian pacers. And at the end, Suyash Sharma, Manish Pandey or Chetan Sakaria can be their impact sub. Coming to SRH's playing 11, I think Travis Head or Aiden Markram. I think Travis Head would be preferred, as we have Aussie captain Pat Cummins and the coach of Australia, Daniel Vettori, is the coach of SRH also. So I think we will see more Australians rather than South Africans this time around. But anyways, Travis Head, Aiden Markram, both are capable batsmen. Along with, they also do some off-spin bowling. Mayank Agarwal would open with one of them. Rahul Tripathi, who was playing very well a couple of seasons back, was a bit out of form last season, so lost his India cap also. At number 4 will be Henrik Klassen. He's one of the best T20 batters around right now. At number 5 would be Abhishek Sharma or Abdul Samad, depending upon the team's choice. Washington Sundar is very good all-rounder. I think he will play at number 6. Vanindu Hasaranga, as per my understanding, would play, but again Marco Jansen is a great option to have, I think. But seeing the turning track of Kolkata, I think Vanindu Hasaranga would be preferred. Pat Cummins obviously is the captain. The evergreen Bhuvi will come in at number 8 or 9, and then at the end Mayank Markande or Shehbaz Ahmed, one of them would play along with T Natarajan. So they have lots of options. You can see it is a very well balanced squad actually, the squad of SRH. So I think they are one of the probables for top 4 finishes this season. If they are still not able to make it, it would be really bad, I would say, because so many good players, especially the foreign players. I think the best foreign players any team which is having is SRH. But again, foreign players don't assure you the playoff spot. So let's see what happens. Let's see the matchups for today's game. KKR batters versus SRH bowlers. If you see, so clearly Pat Cummins would be a good matchup to the openers. Bhuvi also, he swings the ball up front, so he would be a good matchup for Venkatesh Iyer and Phil Salt. Then coming to Vanindu Hasaranga, he would be definitely a good matchup to Shreyas Iyer, as he likes to play spin well. But again, Vanindu Hasaranga has been performing very well for Sri Lanka since the time he has come back. He is now the captain of Sri Lankan side. Nitish Rana and Rinku Singh being left-hander, I think they should play one of the offies, but they don't have much options for off spin. I think they would have to rely on off spin of Travis Head or Aiden Markram. Then Andre Russell, for him, I think Natarajan can be good matchup in the slog overs, because he's a finisher and Natarajan likes to bowl lot of Yorkers. Coming to the matchups of SRH batting versus KKR bowling, again Mitchell Stark would be a weapon in the starting and the finishing overs. So if you see, he can be a good matchup to Mayank Agarwal, Henrik Klassen, those type of batsmen. Varun Chakrabarti being a mystery spinner bowling in middle overs would trouble Rahul Tripathi, and depending upon who is in the middle order of SRH again. So Suyash Sharma is also a leggy. He would again be a matchup to all the right hand batsmen. So overall, I think SRH and KKR very well balanced squad. And since the match is in KKR, both team SRH is a stronger team, but both teams start as equals in the match. It would be, I think, one of the good matches for IPL. So let's hope for a great match and see you after the match.